one frequency with 45 kg meter approximate torque, because the torque is not calibrated as of now, and the equipment is running with the product which was given for testing. You can see the movement of the parts which is operating, like including universal joint. There is a fine movement. Up to coupling, the mechanism is running, and the cylinders are operated at one frequency. Cycle time is over. Machine is stopped.